Hi, here's a video on how to use the respondus lockdown browser to take your practice quiz. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the respondus monitor student instructions that are in your course, and then you're going to scroll up here to where you see download the lockdown browser. So we want to download the lockdown browser, so we're going to click on the download button. When it does that, you get this respondus screen, and you want to click on the Install Now button. Once you do that, you're going to get a download over here. It's going to take a couple minutes to download, so you're going to need to wait and be patient. And when it's done, you're going to want to open it. And right now, mine seems to be taking a really long time. Oh, it's getting there really fast now. So you're going to wait, and you're going to open when it's done. So it should pop up here in just a minute. When it pops up, you are going to follow the instructions. I'm not going to want to follow those instructions because I have already downloaded the lockdown browser. So I'm going to delete it, but here it comes. And it's asking me if I want to allow the device to make changes, and I'm going to say yes because I need to put the lockdown browser in. And then there's a setup. I'm not going to do this setup, so I am just going to cancel out of this, but you'll just follow it until it's done, and then you'll say finish. And when it's finished, you'll have the lockdown browser. You can tell that you have the lockdown browser by looking at this little lockdown button that you need to have there. And so then when you're done with that, you're going to want to exit out of everything, because now you're just going to take your quiz. It should be the only thing open on your computer. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my course, and then I'm going to click on assessments and quizzes. And when I do that, it'll take me to the quiz. Then I need to click on the quiz. Once I get there, I need to scroll to the bottom, and I need to launch the lockdown browser. I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to say, yes, I want to open it, and yes, I want to let it control my laptop. Because when it controls my laptop, it will take care of making sure that my teacher knows that I'm not using anything else. I clicked on it when it said, did it want me to close things? Because I'm going to let it close everything. Now I'm going to start my quiz. So here I go. I'm going to agree to the terms of use because I need to do that. And now it's taking a picture of me. So yes, it's seeing me. And now it's checking to see if my video's all okay. So it's going to record my webcam check as it's doing this. And you can see me recording. So it's preparing that video. And then the next step. Webcam check. Okay. It's doing this. It's good. We're just going to continue because it's working. There's my instructions that I need to read so I know how to do it. I've got a nice quiet location where nobody's going to bother me. I have a nice strong internet. I have my computer on a solid place. I'm not wearing any sunglasses, and I'm in a well-lit room, and I can't access any other applications. Now it's going to take a picture of me, and there's my picture. And then I need to show up identification. I'm not showing any, but it's going to take a picture of me with my phone. So that's my ID. Now I'm going to do an environment check. So I'm going to start the recording, and I'm going to pick up my computer, and I'm going to show my teacher where I am so you can see that nobody else is in here, and you can see the desk that I'm working on and what I'll be looking at. So then I'm stopping that recording. Once that is finished, we're going to I'm just going to continue because you can do it. It wants to make sure my face is visible. So I'm going to continue because I'm in a good place. And now I'm going to, okay, I've got it. Nobody else is in here. And you can see the desk that I'm working on and what I'll be looking at. Okay, now I have the quiz. So now I can take the quiz. I'm not going to put anything in here. My answers, I'm just putting in fake answers because I don't really care. And then I'm going to submit my quiz when I'm done. And it's going to say, do you want to do that? I'm going to submit my quiz. And everything's done. Now I don't have any issues that I want to do. So I'm just going to say submit. And I'm done. And when I'm done, it shows that I took that quiz. I hope this helps.